With over 6,000 locations in the US, you may want to consider shopping for your next battery at AutoZone. But studying the warranty and return policy documents can get tedious, so we did the hard work for you. In this video, we highlight all the essential information related to AutoZone's battery warranty and return policy. Types of AutoZone batteries. AutoZone sells its line of private label batteries. These batteries offer a competitive amount of power for a lower price when compared to brand name batteries. Here is a closer look at various batteries that AutoZone offers. EconoCraft, most affordable. The EconoCraft lineup is the most affordable battery that AutoZone offers, costing about 30% less than typical batteries. These are great batteries if you have an older model vehicle and need to get from point A to point B. Duralast, standard choice. Duralast is the standard battery brand from AutoZone. This should be the default choice if you are looking for a quality battery that lasts. Duralast Gold, high-end choice. If you have a high-use or luxury vehicle, then consider the Duralast Gold lineup of batteries. These batteries are designed to handle the higher output of certain vehicles and provide you with a longer-lasting performance. Duralast Platinum, highest quality. The Duralast Platinum lineup of batteries is the highest quality battery offered by AutoZone. These batteries are ideal if you drive in extreme conditions or if you have a high-performance vehicle. How long does the AutoZone battery warranty last? AutoZone batteries have their own unique warranty periods, so you must check the battery's product page. The Duralast ProPower warranty lasts 1 year. Duralast ProPower AGM battery warranty lasts for 3 years. The Duralast ProPower Ultra battery warranty lasts for 2 years. The Odyssey battery warranty is 4 years. During that time, if the battery fails, you can have it replaced by AutoZone at no additional charge. How to claim the AutoZone battery warranty. To claim your warranty, go to your nearest AutoZone location with the battery and the receipt. You must also provide a government-issued ID. How to tell if your AutoZone battery is under warranty. There are 2 ways that you can check if your battery is still under warranty. Check the sales date of your battery on the receipt. Go to any AutoZone location and ask about the warranty information on your battery by providing the battery's serial number. What is the AutoZone battery return policy? You can return any AutoZone battery within 90 days if you have the receipt and the battery has not been used. When can I return my battery? You can return your battery to any one of the 6,000 AutoZone locations in the United States. Do I need an AutoZone receipt for a return? It is possible to get a refund for your battery even if you don't have a receipt. To get your refund without the receipt, you should contact AutoZone customer support at 800-288-6966. Ensure you have enough coverage for your car. Always ensure that you have enough coverage for your vehicle. If you drive an EV, then check out our EV battery warranty guide to see if you will need extra coverage. Additionally, browse another post to learn the top extended car warranties which are available for just about any make and model. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.